My child, I have heard every question you have whispered through tears, even the ones you were too exhausted to say out loud. I know you have asked, why always me, God? Why does my heart keep breaking while others seem so happy? I know the pain of loving someone who never loved you back. I know what it feels like to watch someone walk away while you begged for one more chance. I was there when your tears fell onto your pillow after everyone else had gone to sleep. You believed I had forgotten you, but I never looked away for even a single moment. You ask why you keep failing, why your hard work at school never seems enough, why others receive promotions while your efforts are overlooked, why interviews end with silence instead of opportunity, why your business struggles while others prosper, why your prayers seem to echo without an answer. My child, unanswered does not mean unheard. Delayed does not mean denied. Sometimes I protect you by closing the very door you desperately wanted me to open. If you could see everything I see, you would understand that some closed doors were rescuing you, not rejecting you. I know you compare yourself to others. You scroll through their victories and quietly wonder why your life feels so far behind. But you are comparing your hidden struggles to someone else's highlighted moments. I did not create your life to be a copy of theirs. Your story has its own purpose, its own timing, and its own miracles. I know you feel lonely. Even in crowded rooms, you wonder if anyone truly understands you. I do. I have never left your side. I was with you in every disappointment. I was with you through every rejection. I was with you every time you smiled in front of people while silently falling apart inside. You think your suffering is proof that I have abandoned you. No, my child. Your pain is not evidence of my absence. Sometimes it becomes the place where my presence can reach you the deepest. Diamonds are formed under pressure. Trees grow stronger through storms. And faith becomes stronger when everything else feels uncertain. I never promised that life would be free from pain, but I did promise you would never face it alone. Stop carrying tomorrow before it arrives. Stop punishing yourself for yesterday. Stay with me today. One step, one prayer, one breath at a time. I know you are tired. Rest in me. I know you feel weak. Let my strength become yours. I know you feel unworthy. Nothing you have done can make me stop loving you. Not your failures, not your mistakes, not your regrets, not even the moments when you stopped believing I was still with you. This chapter is not the end of your story. I am still writing it. The blessings you cannot yet see are already moving toward you. So when your heart asks, why always me, God? Listen closely to my answer. Because I trust you with a story that will one day bring hope to someone else. Hold my hand a little longer. Do not give up now. The same God who carried you yesterday is carrying you today, and I will carry you into every tomorrow. You are not forgotten. You are not abandoned. You are not alone. You are my child, and I will never stop loving you.